Today, I'm going to show you how to enter rental income in QuickBooks Online. First, sign into QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. From the dashboard, click New or Create. Then select Sales Receipt. This opens the sales receipt form. In the Customer field, choose the tenant who made the rent payment. If the tenant is not already saved, click Add New and create the tenant as a customer. Next, enter the payment date. Use the date you received the rent. Then choose the payment method, such as cash, check, bank transfer, or card. If there is a reference number, such as a check number or transaction ID, enter it in the reference field. Now, choose the Deposit To account. Select the bank account where the rent was deposited. If you are grouping this rent payment with other payments before depositing, choose Undeposited Funds. Next, go to the Product or Service line. Choose the rental income item or service you use for rent payments. Add a clear description, such as April rent for Unit 2A. Then enter the amount received. Check the tax settings if they apply in your location. Before saving, review the tenant name, payment date, payment method, deposit account, rental income item, description, and amount. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. If you have more rent payments to enter, click Save and New instead. QuickBooks will now record the rent payment as income. And that's how to enter rental income in QuickBooks Online in 2026.